Hello, I'm Jerry Lee, and welcome to Trade Alchemy, bringing meta trading and cryptocurrency together. Today, we are going over the four phases of the crypto cycle. Each cycle phase contains an opportunity, a trap, and a teaching. So, what is meta trading crypto? We master the unseen forces behind the market. We dance with the natural cycles of energy. We are not traders of coins. We are conductors of abundance. So let's get into the first phase of the crypto cycle, which is known as the accumulation phase. The accumulation phase is the phase that you see here. The meta phase, and this part, we will call this arising, for this is the hidden opportunity. Tactical signs. Price forms a bottom flat tight range, a long period of sideways movement, which could go from days to weeks. On-chain data shows whales accumulating, so you'll want to watch the specific chain or blockchain that you're working with or you're interested in. When you see whales starting to accumulate vast amounts of the asset, that's a clear signal or indication that you should be doing that as well. Also, it's important to notice that there will be negative or no media coverage at all. The overall sentiment would be crypto is dead. Emotional signals. You will feel bored, doubtful, or disconnected. Everyone's moved on. There's no excitement. The best time to buy, yet the hardest time to emotionally act. Now for your meta roll. Become the silent witness and quiet buyer. Think like a farmer planting seeds in winter. Journal and meditating on patience, clarity, and purpose will help. And know that you are becoming aligned with the rhythm of long term success. Phase 2, we call this the pump or the markup phase, aka the breakout phase. Metaphase, this part we will call being. Tactical signs to look for. Breakout from resistance levels with volume, exponential price movements. You'll also notice influencers, news, and retail interest exploding. The RSI often becomes overbought, but can stay there in strong trends. Emotional signs. You'll feel excited, but also uncertain. Should I buy more? Others are just discovering the coin. Temptation to go all in or chase green candles. Now for your meta roll. Be gracefully aggressive. You planted seeds during the accumulation phase. Harvest wisely. Take profit in stages. Ladder out. This is the becoming more stage. Let it flow, but don't lose your center. Distribution phase, also known as the Euphoria phase. Becoming more. The silent exit of the wise. During the distribution phase, you will see the price will eventually stop climbing and begins moving sideways. Volume remains high, but it's exit liquidity. Whale wallets begin selling off. Market sentiment, euphoria, everyone's a genius. Emotional signs you will need to look for. Overconfidence. You feel like the coin can't go down. You start fantasizing about moon prices. The thought of selling feels like a betrayal. Now for our meta role. This is the hardest test. Can you detach? Observe others cheering, but you exit while the music plays. Sell into strengths, stay grounded. This is peak illusion. Master the art of letting go. And for our fourth phase, this is our markdown phase or correction stage. For metaphase, we will call this passing away to a new arising, the fall and the cleanse. Tactical signs, sudden sharp drops in prices, panic in the market, people sell in fear, high red volume candles, capitulation wicks, price often crashes below the previous support line. Emotional signals you'll need to watch out for. Despair, regret, shame. Why didn't I sell? The narrative turns toxic. It's a scam. It's over. And no one wants to buy. Now, this is your meta role. We need to pay close attention to this because mastering our emotions, especially in trading, makes us better traders. So you've either exited already or you hold and reflect. Study and emotionally reflect. Look for signs of a bottom, long wicks, low volume based bullish divergences. You are now in the passing away stage. Embrace it, learn from it, prepare for renewal. I hope you find this video informative. We'll see you next time. If there's any questions or if there's other things you want to deep dive into, leave a comment below and we'll get to it next time.